at the Supreme Court this week.
The Supreme Court ruled that buyers of defective brand new motor vehicles may choose to enforce their rights under any available law. The court held that Republic Act No. 10642, or the Philippine Lemon Law, which applies to brand new vehicles, is not an exclusive remedy. The Lemon Law allows the manufacturer, distributor, or dealer at least 4 separate repair attempts before replacing the defective vehicle. On the other hand, the Consumer Act, which applies to durable and non-durable consumer products in general, gives the supplier 30 days to correct the defective product. According to the court, there is nothing that prevents a consumer from availing of the remedies under the Consumer Act or any other law if the subject of the complaint is a brand new vehicle. Meanwhile, the Office of the Bar Confident, or OBC, issued a reminder to 2024 bar examinees with deferred documents to upload digital copies of these documents through the Barista online platform and submit physical copies to the OBC on or before October 15, 2024. Failure to comply will result in disqualification, and the examination answers of non-compliant examinees will not be checked. In another decision, the Supreme Court ruled that demotion, verbal abuse, and indifferent behavior by an employer that forces an employee to resign constitute constructive illegal dismissal. Constructive dismissal happens when an employer creates such unbearable working conditions that the employee feels forced to resign. The court stressed that actions demonstrating extreme dislike and hostile behavior, such as demotion, uttering insulting words, and apathetic behavior toward an employee, constitute constructive illegal dismissal when such actions cause the employment conditions to be so unbearable that there is no other choice but to resign. The court held that the standard for constructive dismissal is whether a reasonable person in the employee's position would have felt forced to give up their employment under the circumstances. While the court said that strong words may be exchanged in the workplace where there are bound to be disagreements, these should not degrade the dignity of employees to avoid a hostile work environment. The Supreme Court has extended registration to the 6th Asian Mediation Association, or AMA Conference. The AMA Conference will be held from October 15 to 16, 2024 in Manila. Interested lawyers, mediators, and alternative dispute resolution practitioners may still register for the conference until October 10, 2024 on the Supreme Court website. The conference, themed Harmony and Strategic Innovations in Mediation and ADR, will gather global experts in mediation and ADR, including luminaries, practitioners, members of the academe, and advocates from across Asia and beyond. The 2-day conference will feature 8 sessions designed to foster dialogue, inspire discourse, and share insights on various aspects of mediation and ADR. For more information, please contact the conference secretariat at amaconference.secretariat@judiciary.gov.ph. Also extended are the registrations for the Zamboanga City leg of the regional consultations for the proposed amendments to the Rules of Civil Procedure and the proposed amendments to the Rules of Criminal Procedure. Interested participants may still register until October 1, 2024 for both the CivPro and CrimPro regional consultations by visiting their respective microsites on the Supreme Court website.
And that's your Supreme Court this week. I am Tiffany Doblatran, Supreme Court Information Officer.